Hey everyone, in this video today I will going to explain you about this project which I done, that is called global sales dashboard. And let's move to the explaining part about the company. The the company overview is, it's a global retail and e-commerce company where 40 plus countries across 6 continents, and its products are basically technology, furnitures, office suppliers, and the goal to enhance the customer experience and drive the profitability. Okay, and now learn about the sales, how this company do the sales. The first one is platform, online e-commerce, process, regional warehouse fulfillment, and from shipping like express, same day, and the standard. And the breakdowns, we just break down those things into region, market, category, and the subcategory. Now you have the problem statement. This uh, global superstore facing that it no visibility into regional performance, and the difficult to predict the future demands, and the need for the interactive sales insights. And it is also like too many excel files out there, so it is really hard to manage all those things. So that's why they want the proper insights from the this project. And now the project overview, where I developed the Power BI dashboard, provide easy to read visual for all users and enabling the forecast and predict the future trends. So let's dive into the actual project. So this is the actual project which I created during my this uh, global sales dashboard. The first one, in the upper part you have the slicer, that is for 12 to 15 years, and for each quarters. And here you have this city, where you can select the city for each uh, country. Okay, so it's city you can choose according to your preference. After that, here you have the KPIs. First one is order, sales, profit, and the shipping date. And the second, you have this one, monthly sales year over year. So these are the monthly sale. In blue you have, you can say, into 2012. In this dark blue you have the 13 sales, and in orange you have the 14, and this purple you have the 15 sales. And this monthly profit year over year, this is sale, and this is the same thing in monthly basis. And after that you have the couple of pie charts, where you have the sales by category. This is the basically percentage. Here home office contain 18%, and the corporate 30%, and the consumer 51%. Okay, and the sales by subcategory you have the like iPhones, phone sales is 14%, copies, chairs, books cases, these are the sales of each subcategory. And further you can divide by the sales by region. So we can see the Western Europe contain the 14% of the total sales percentage, and the Central America, so we can see here East Asia 7%, South Asia 7%. So we can see from here too. And after that is sales category. So sales category, technology, furniture, office supplies are these kind of sales it generate. These are all in million. Now sales by ship mode. Ship mode, you have the 4 ship mode. First one is standard, second class, first, and the same day. So these are the, and you have the standard, it contains the majority of sale from the standard. Here also in technology it contains the majority of sales. And sales by market, Asia Pacific contain the 4 million, and Europe contain 3.3 million. This and Latin, this contain the other millions also. Okay, this is the sales dashboard basically I explain all those things. If you want to change here, just you can get all the data from the each year in 13 this way, 14 this way, 15 this way. So you and you can also slice with the help of quarterly too. Okay, now next you have the second dashboard. uh, Report is sales forecast based on the last 2 years. So this is the from 15 to 15. I have the 15 data and I use the forecasting, that is prediction of 2 years. 2 years. So prediction basis on the 2 years. So this yellow part which I shown here, so which I did the prediction with the help of Power BI, and this is the forecasting uh, report. And now you have the, this is very beautiful decomposition chart which showing you the sum of sales. We have the United States and the Australia, France and China, India and the German, Mexico. So each contain the how much sales, it's beautifully showing here. And after that you have the city in Sydney and the Perth and the Melbourne. So each city contain how much sales, it's basically divided into the cells. After that you have the category technology, office supplies, furniture. I already told you the technology is very high in the sales, and the phones in technology basically you have the phones that are very high. And after that um, you can get the quarterly data from here too. You can select here. So these are the slicer, same here. And I also created the two tables for top 5 country by sales and the top 5 country by sales. Okay, so this is okay, this is country by. So the first one is United States, France, Germany and Australia and China, and the second China, Germany, Australia and this time. Basically it's by quantity and the sales, two are the different thing here. So now after that you have a fourth page. This is the profit by countries. So we can see this sales versus profit. We can see the in green color it is the profit and the red color it is the sales. So we can see in United States we have the sales this much, okay, and the revenue is this much, we can see from here. And we can calculate in India. We can see in India it is in 15, 13, 14, 12, 13, 15, 14 and 15 we have the this much sales and we have this much profit which we generated. And you can select the each year too. Okay, you can do the slice and dice and you will get the your desired result or the insights. So that's all about this project which I cover pretty much. That we conclude that our sales like the top companies are India, China and the France and USA, and we get the majority of profit by uh, United States, and you have the China, India and United Kingdom. And after that these are the and least profitable country or least market share or profitable company are this way. Okay, so we can conclude from there.